Hello, I am Jordan from Miro AI Studio. Need videos on your board? Here's how to add them in Miro. The fastest method is to drag and drop video files directly onto the canvas. You can also click Tools, Media and Integrations at the bottom of the toolbar, search for Upload, then My Device to select your file. Or search for Video, place the widget, and click Upload a Video to choose your file. This creates a placeholder video widget that you can replace later by clicking Upload a Video again. Placeholders are perfect for planning content or creating templates where others will add videos later. Videos can be up to 150 megabytes per file and support MP4, MOV, and WebM formats. There is no limit on how many videos you can upload. Free plan users can view and play uploaded videos, but cannot upload new ones. Uploading is available on Starter, Business, Enterprise, and Education plans. Click the play button in any video to play. You can use the playback controls on the widget or use your keyboard. Spacebar to pause or play, arrow keys to skip 10 seconds, and escape to exit full screen. Multiple team members can watch at their own pace. Everyone controls their own playback for async review. Need to add comments to specific moments? Pause the video, click Copy as Image from the context menu, and paste it on the board. Add comments or annotations to that exact moment. Perfect for design reviews or user research feedback without needing timestamps. Oh, and you can also download the video by clicking on it and selecting Download. You can also add videos in docs. Add videos to prototypes. Include videos in your mood boards, and more. You also can paste links from YouTube or other video platforms directly onto the canvas. You can even add your favorite Mastering Miro tutorial to your board. Quick and simple for sharing existing videos. Videos in Miro keep everything in one place. Upload demos, interviews, or tutorials, and collaborate without switching tools. Ready to try it? Click the link in the description to start uploading videos. Subscribe for more Miro tutorials on new features.